remove the old housing from the life jacket. Take the Crewsaver rectangular housing and ensure the fixture bars are positioned like so. Once done, simply push the housing into the recess and press firmly. Now, take the Crewsaver light and push this into the housing. This motion will push the bars into the foam, securing the light unit firmly into place. If your life jacket's recess has a fabric lining sewn in like so, this is not a problem. Simply insert the housing as before, then manually push the bars into the foam before adding the light. Thanks for watching.